One great skill to have in the kitchen is segmenting, otherwise known as supreming citrus. We cut off the ends and then go all the way around, removing the rind. Don't worry, you can always go back and shave off anything that you miss. As I go, I obviously try not to remove too much of the flesh of the fruit, but I always end up taking these pieces and juicing them for a smoothie or a vinaigrette or something, so they won't go to waste. But you do want to make sure that you get all of that bitter pith off of your citrus before moving on to the next step. So if you lose a little bit of your pulp onto the skin, we'll still use it, but it's better to make sure you get rid of it. So I'm gonna switch to my paring knife, and just on either side of that membrane, we'll go in and remove. So then on your salad or on your Greek yogurt or something like that, panna cotta desserts, all sorts of different things where you wanna have that nice pop of citrus, but you don't wanna have to chew through like a membrane from the citrus or leave anything behind. So this is kind of like making it totally perfect.